Okay, I go to next problem. Find the angle between the surfaces xy plus y square plus z square is equal to 9 and z is equal to x square plus y square minus 3 at 2 minus 1 2. This is very important question. This is the last year June 2019 and June 2013 question paper sum. So here given two surfaces pi 1 and pi 2 two surface. They are asking to find out angle between these two surfaces. The first surface I take it as pi 1, the second surface is pi 2. So pi 1 is equal to here x square plus y square plus z square. 9 transfer this side is minus 9. This is the first surface, and the second surface is pi 2 is equal to x square plus y square minus 3, and z transfer this side we get minus z, because maximum term in RHS side I transfer z to RHS side we get minus z. Okay, next find out del pi. We have del pi formula. This is del pi formula. Using this formula, find out del pi 1 and del pi 2. Okay, actually the angle between the surfaces, this is the formula is angle theta is equal to del pi 1 minus into del pi 2 and denominator magnitude of del pi 1 del pi 2. This formula already given in the formula list. The angle between the surfaces is a formula. Okay, cos theta is equal to del pi 1 dot del pi 2 mod of del pi 1 into del pi 2. Next find out del pi 1 and del pi 2 term. This is a del pi formula. Using this formula find out del pi 1. So pi 1 this differentiate with respect to x partially. We get xy differentiation is 2x. With respect to x means y z are constant term I plus pi with respect to y differentiation, pi 1 differentiate with respect to y, x constant, z constant, y square is 2y into j plus pi 1 differentiate with respect to z means x square, y square is constant 0, 9 also constant 0, z square is 2z into k. Next at particular point pi 1 becomes 2 minus 1 2, x, y, z values given, substitute here we get del pi 1 value. So del pi 1 is equal to x value to substitute here, substitute we get 4i, y value is minus 1, substitute we get minus 2j, and z value to substitute 2 is a 4k. Similarly find out the second curve del pi 2. So using the formula pi 2 differentiate with respect to x square we get 2x I, with respect to y differentiation is x constant, z and 3 constant 2y into j. With respect to z differentiation x y constant 3 also constant minus z differentiation is minus 1 into k. So at particularly del pi 2 value at minus 2 minus 1 2 it becomes x value 2 substitution 2 to the 4 into I, y value minus 1 becomes 2j and minus k, no z term, no need to substitute z value, no z variable. Okay, so now angle between the surfaces formula, substitute here del pi 1 have 4i minus 2j plus 4k dot product with del pi 2. This is del pi 2 4i minus 2j minus k, and denominator magnitude of del pi 1 and del pi 2. Magnitude of del pi 1 nothing but del pi 1 square root of squares of ijk coefficient, 4 square nothing but 16 minus 2 square nothing but plus 4 and 4 square nothing but 16, and magnitude of del pi 2. Magnitude of del pi 2 is square root of squares of ijk term, 4 square is 16 minus 2 square is plus 4 and minus 1 square nothing but 1. Simplification, dot product of two vector always we get value, constant value, scalar. So 4i into 4i, I dot I is 1, 4 is 16 minus 2 dot minus 2j, minus 2 into minus 2 we get plus 4, j dot j is 1, 4k dot minus k, k dot k is 1, 4 ones are 4, 4 into minus 1 we get minus 4, and denominator 16 into 16, 32 plus 4 is 36, into the second term 16 plus 4 20, this is 21. Further simplification, so we get this is 16 by root 36 nothing but 6, this is root 21, this is 2 3s are 2 8s are, so 8 by 3 root 21 is a angle. So this is what cos theta. They are asking to find out theta. Theta is equal to cos inverse of the value is 8 by 3 root 21. Okay, suppose the same question if they are asking show that the angle between these two curves orthogonal. Her orthogonal surface means we have to show that the final angle theta is equal to what? Pi by 2. This is the concept. Okay, the formula already given in the formula list. This is very important question, last year question paper problems. Okay, thank you.